Welcome back, Crammers, to question 18. A list of subsets are given. Complete the Venn diagram for sets E, A, and B. First off, we can see that A intersection B is given as 12, 16, and 20. This means what A and B both have in common. So we can write here 12, 16, 20. Moving on, we can see that A is all even numbers. And using subset E, we can see that 12 is an even number, but it's already given. So we move on. 14 is an even number. 16 is already given, so we move on and we have 18. And 20 is an even number, but it's already given in the diagram. Okay, now that we have this and this, we move on to A union B not is 17 and 19. Union is everything inside A and B, and not simply means everything outside A and B. So that means 17 and 19 go here. So we have 17 and 19. And lastly, subset B is not given, but all we have are 3 integers left. And since they do not go outside, that means they have to be subset B. So we have 11, 13, and 15. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.